Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Ari kami sa arak sa Plants vs Zombies. Okay, let's play this. I'm in the Pirates Arena. Now. Okay. Please subscribe and like. Please. I need this. My mom is kinda homeless. I live with my daddy. Joke lang. Saya ka mo guys. Please subscribe and sub. Please subscribe. I'm a kid. A child. Okay. Subscribe please. Help me and donate me. Please. Okay. You say no, that's okay. Cause I'm got bandit. Oh! Anis ka boy. Okay guys. Magkuha na kita guys. Kalisod ka magpili guys. Inilat guys na naong piliin guys. And see guys, ayun na guys. Mahal kayo guys. Kun guys, okay guys, ari guys. Sangkun guys, okay guys. This is all I have. This is all I have, bro. This is all I have. Please. This is I have. Please. It's only Danny. Please. Please subscribe and share to your friends and say, hey, subscribe to this kid. Okay, you understand me, bro? You don't understand me? That's okay because my mom is kinda homeless now. I have my daddy. Bro, please sub and subscribe. I'm a new content creator. What the heck? She stole my what's that called? She stole my flowers. She stole my flowers. What's this? I have 6 liters. And mom on the door. Wait, it's your answer. Please subscribe. That's that I wanna cry because my mom is homeless right now. I wanna help him to reach 1 million followers in Facebook. Please subscribe because his birthday tomorrow. Please subscribe. I don't have any money because I'm poor. I have this cell phone to create a new new created because it is want to contain powerful spirit of life. This is why I'm so before. Huh? He took my seat. No! Oh, just wait. Ako lang sila guys. Ma! Ako man sinima! Tapos ako. Video ako. Guys, don't listen to my sister because she's ugly. You hear him? Hear me? Hear me, bro? Please subscribe. Please right now, bro. Please do like and subscribe. You wanna like and subscribe. No. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching us. Thank you. Goodbye. See you to my next video.